This is how unorganized this woman is.
No, you're the one who doesn't put eggs.
You're the one that puts eggs in the incubator. We have babies everywhere.
You're fine. We're safe. Making a circuit brooder. Oh, guineas are hatching.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm done chicken eggs. Here's my guinea eggs.
Get out of my crotch.
Oh my goodness.
On Beam Farm, we involve the children. She doesn't follow me around with camera, so that's why she's doing the work and not me. What we got? How many eggs? Here, hold
I'm
it.
not gonna get more eggs soon. My cones are lightening up.
They're about to get some sun. I'm about to put that net up when this rain
Can
comes.
you get it? Here, Mama, get it. Move. Here, Mama, get it. Move. She insists on getting it.
Hi, babies.
Here, move. Come on, Belle. Grab them. If you can't reach them, then move, please. Give it here. Give it here. She's going to bring it all the way to you.
Hey.
She'll show you.
Get it, sister. Yeah. Stick your hand out, see if they'll eat out of your hand. Bring me some. Bring me some, sister. Just bring me a handful. Bring it over here. You can pick it up. It's not that heavy. Oh, I didn't know it was that full. Come on, Dougie. There you go, sister. Beautiful day here for some birding. We just put random brush piles everywhere, so it's not ideal, but that's what we got going on right now. So I got a few different piles that are smaller, and there's supposed to be a storm coming in tonight, so we should be all right. What are you collecting, Belle? Yeah, put it in there. Put them in there. Put gently. Okay, get another one. There's a bunch more. Thank you. Thank you. Get them more. Get it. Hey, there's two more. Look. Gotta move them. Right there. Come on, get it. Get it. It's not buried. Get one more. There's one more under the hay. There you go. Good job, sister. All right. How many more you got? 3? Okay. Look. I think there's 4, actually. Get them. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. What up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you like what we do, like and subscribe. Comment on the video below. We appreciate y'all. Today we're just doing normal chores. Look at this stupid worm. I don't know if y'all can catch it or not, but you see him? You see him coming after me? What, you tell her that she ain't laying no eggs?
That's what I said. Hold.
I know. You want to collect them?
Over here. Give me this.
Hey,
you
boy.
The egg, you
can go out, girl.
No. Well, it makes him sad.
He doesn't need to be sad. He needs to be a bigger man.
Do you not see? Look, they're already standing there. Get the egg, sister.
Well, get the guinea in there, and I'll put the guinea up.
Here, sister.
What boy?
Give me. Grab the rest. Get it. It's okay. The feather's okay. It's not going to hurt you. Pick up the egg, please.
Get it.
She don't like the feather.
Push it out of the way. Push it out of the way.
Not with your foot.
Don't step on it.
Here. I guess I can't step over this one. I don't know if I can bend down. Oh. You want to show me struggling? Oh. Oh. Go. Go. Pull it out. Nope. Not the egg.
Look, this is a guinea. The guinea is pecking on this. Hey, give me a boy. You're so scared. I had to save the... Here, let that guinea go in there. Okay.
Can you stand to the side? So they can
Move, Bill. Yeah, this is crazy.
Go. Out.
Come on, ducks. Come out.
Go.
This is why you don't get ducks. They're always hungry. Or at least they think they are. If there's a food source, they're going to go to it.
Okay, close it. I want her to stay in. You, out.
Hey.
He's fine.
Come on, duck. Come on, girl.
Fine.
Come on, girl. Get out of there. There's one more, dude.
He is huge.
All right, these guineas. One of them's the mean one.
That one?
You gotta put them in a different pen. Oh!
They're behind you now. Don't open that door.
I don't know. That's a girl and this is a boy.
We have 2 that have these big wattles.
Well, then that'll be another boy.
Run down there.
Probably know if they... You gotta listen to their noise. They're not
They're
making...
all annoying. Ah, we need to get the food in here.
Get this poultry crate out of here. Oh, dang, it twisted my ankle. We are moving some chickens around. Round, 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 I get around, yeah. My ducks, got all my ducks in a row. Alright, we gotta move some chickens around, so I gotta get this crate. We're gonna put them in a different coop. They were juveniles, we're growing them out. They're actually laying right now, so they're not even, they're laying hens now. But we need to move them around, give them a different coop, because we need to put the guineas in there, so that's what we're gonna do today. What?
Watch the sprinkler.
What am I gonna do with the sprinkler?
Oh, careful, sister. Move. Back up. No, you're not going in here. No. Give me this. Just calm you down. Oh, no. Oh, don't sit right behind me. Well, we have to fix that hole. Move, Belle.
Look how chocolatey he looks. Well, see?
It's tough.
Look how pretty the silk is. So pretty. Okay, there.
Calm down.
This is what it looks like when you mix a bear dog with a silky. You get 5 toes and a hoop.
Oh, he got out.
Let him out. We can get her probably.
Mix? Yeah, that's what you just said. No, I don't have that food. Well,
How did you get with a Moran? It's got like black and copper with a
no, you're
hoop.
not getting out. Far back and you can't. Watch that roof. Here.
Well, I ripped out half of her feather. She flopped. My little chocolate. My chocolate. Chocolate.
Look, our ducks are in a row. They're in a row. Put her in there. She's gonna go with them. Ah. Whatever it's called. Hold on, I have one more to get, sister, and I'll put you in there and get that egg. Another mix. Get the egg, sister. there. Just grab the egg. Between this rooster and that rooster, this one will fight the guineas. That one won't. He's too much over control.
Take my camera. Thank you. Thank you, sister. It ran around the back side. Good. That looks like the pullet I just put in there.
Huh?
That looks like the pullet I just put in there.
I told you we gotta fix this hole. But that's not. That one's been out. Go down there to your coop.
He's trying to quarter.
Now move. No, Duff. Keep going. No.
It's always something with the ducks. Yeah, get back in there. Ah, Steph.
Go in there?
Yep.
She's not a mix.
Black sex link.